Today I'm going to show you how to create a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So I'll be using this app to make my presentation. I cannot make with this app. I'm not going to do on this. I'm going to use this one. So this is how it appears. Okay, sorry. Yeah. So can you see this large plus button? You have to click on it. Okay, you have to click on it. Now here I've got a lot of themes. Now I'm going to click on quotable. So like quotable means like if you have to add a quote, then it's your choice. I want to add a quote. So what kind of quote should I use? I want to do for a teacher. I'm going to search for in Google and I'm going to search for quotes for teachers. So a good teacher is like a candle, it consumes itself. Let's see if this looks good. Yeah, it looks good now. Yeah, so I can write it down on my this and a good. I'll move this thing here. A good teacher is like a candle. Is like a candle, and I have to search. I have to see once again. Now I have to put the dash. It consume. Yeah. It consumes itself. So I'll write. I've written my quote. As you can see, this is a good teacher always consume. So I can widen my length. And I'm going to click on always whenever you are writing the subtitle here on the first slide you must write in the place where you like I'm doing on Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, so I'm going to write PowerPoint presentation Microsoft. As you can see, I cannot widen it, but please try to understand. Yeah, so this is how I have done. Now this is how you create. Now I have to add some images. I want to add images, so I can add images. I can search for quotes for teachers, and here I have got a lot of quotes. I think I like this. This is cute. Now I can take an image. Now I'll crop it. Crop is when you just minimize it so that the extra things which you do not want in your image are not there. So I'll go to gallery. This comes, and now my image comes. Okay, now I'm sure that my image is saved. Now I'll go to PowerPoint. I want to add image. So as you can see here, this button with the scenery on here, you have to click on it. Now the recent images of mine will be here. So I want this one. You can crop it using this. Oh, I want this. Now I can change the rotation. Now I can use whiteboard. It's like how you are having the whiteboard, but I want the normal photo. I can delete it also, but I want it to be done. Don't add any title because it's your choice if you want to add. And so I'm creating a teacher's presentation which I want to present to my teacher. So yeah, I'm going to click on the image button once again. Now I do not have such good image. So I'll go to Google once again and okay, so I like this one. This is also good. Now I can crop it. Yeah, so this is how I have to crop. Yeah.
पापा ऐसे लेटे हुए थे और आप तो वो दिखा रही थी वीडियो कॉल में, अच्छा लग रहा था। मैडम को सोचेंगे कितने गंदे हैं, कैसे देखो पापा ऐसे लेटे हुए हैं लेकर पहनकर।
So as you can see, now I'll crop it. So I've cropped it. Now I'm going to save it. And I know that I have done. I'm going to go back to here. Now I'm going to go back here. Yeah, so this is what wanted. I want to finish it. Now you can write thank you teacher. It's how you create a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. And please like, share and subscribe. Now I have written. Now I want to show it in the slideshow mode. So as you can see here, yeah, this small play button, you have to click on it. I'm going to click on this. So now my slideshow is starting, but it will come in landscape. So I'll have to rotate. Okay, I'll have to go. Yeah, a good teacher. Okay, sorry. A good teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. In Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, without teachers, life would have no class. So if you do not have class, no enjoyment. A teacher plants the seed of knowledge, sprinkles them with love, and patiently nurtures them. Their growth to produce tomorrow's dream. Thank you, teacher, and this is how you finish. And I'll swipe forwards to exit, and you can share it. Here I've got a lot of options. I can share the full document. I can share it through PDF or presentation. It's your choice. And this is how you are doing. And if you click on this pencil button, then you will be able to edit it once again. So this is how you do. Now I'll show you how to save it. Can you see on this button? You have to click on Save As. Now I want to stop it. I'll show you. I'll write the teacher. Okay, sorry. Teacher. Okay, this is done, and I can save it on this device. So I can add a place, and here I've got a lot of places, but I don't want this. So yeah, I can save it in this device only, in documents. So it will be saved here only. Save. Now can you see it has been saved, and whenever you want to open, you can open. I'll show you. So can you see it? Yeah, I am able to open. So I'm welcome back. The PowerPoint is giving me welcome back, and this is how you create your own Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Hope it was helpful for you to make a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation.